Good morning, Pop Pop's Bees. Beekeeping isn't always when you're supposed to do it. It's when you can, especially at our level. This is a swarm catch number 44. I went and picked up last night. We got a sick grandbaby and a bunch of crazy mess going on, so I'm gonna try to put these girls on the stand this morning. Sun's just come up. It's a little bit cool. I did put my long sleeves on and my hood. I'm probably gonna get my tail eat up. But that's beekeeping. We're not basket weaving, so let's see how ill these girls are gonna be and what we got in here. Yeah, we got us a swarm. So they're not really happy about being awake this early. It's like about 2 frames of bees. This is our new style trap. So I'm just going to pop the boxes apart. If I can. And get them on a stand. Of course, I didn't grab my hive tool because that's what happens when you're in a hurry, right? Really didn't want to transfer boxes. Well, not if I could get this one off. I just purplized it all up. And I didn't get a hive tool. Rookie mistake. Rookie mistake. So now I don't really have a choice about what to do. Showing the good, the bad, the ugly this morning. So see if I can get a screw in here and pop these 2 boxes apart. Yeah, they're just not wanting to come apart this morning. If I jar them like that, I'm gonna make them even more iller than they are right this second. So it looks like we got about 2 frames of bees in there. I am not gonna make them mad. Put them girls on the box. Put this one on the trailer so they can find mama. There we go. All right, I didn't get stung, so that's a good thing. There the girls are, they're installed. And the rest of them will go on in their box. So that was successful. Pop Pop Bees. That was a pretty bad install, but you do what you got to do sometimes when you're keeping bees. Swarm catch number 44 for 2022. You all have a good day. Stay safe.